today I'm going to show you how to create a Google Forms. In this case, our first step is to have a Google account. In this case, I have a Gmail account. And let's go to this step to select the Google Forms option that is going to be in the button here, the forms. Okay, if you select it or click on it, you will see all the forms that I have, in this case for me, but you will see a blank page or a couple of options that they used to offer you. Here we have the plus option that is going to be the one to create your own one. So let's add a small title here that is going to be Ile. Then we can have a subtitle that is going to be tutorial. And then we have the questions option here. Let's go to this, that is going to be the short answer, the paragraph option, the options there, the options file, let's say, that is to have more than one option, but it's just to select one. In this case also we have the boxes one, that is to select more than one, and the drop down option. Also we have the option to upload a file and the line option, and you will see a couple of options more, but let's go to this one. If you click on the enter button, you will see that automatically it shows you how to create or how to have another option there. And then this option, this step, you will have the new question to add a new one. We have the import questions if you want to import another one, if you want to add a title and a description on a question, or if you want to add an image, a video, or another section. Let's go to another question. This one is going to be the line one. It's going to go to 1 to 5. And then another question that is going to be the boxes one. And the last question is going to be the short answer one. Then, as I said before, you can have sections. You can divide it. Here we have the section 1 and the section 2 that is going to be the short one. You can explain that here a little bit, the description, and you can have a title there. If you want to change, or if you would like to change the color, you can do it here, this step that is going to show you the options that you have. Or if you want to create a new color there, you can do it like this. That's added. And if you want to have an image at the top, you can select one here, insert it, and it's going to be here in the top. It will show you a different colors there, so you can add it, or also you can create your color. Then you will have the front options. If you want to change it, you can change the type of front. If you don't like it, and if you do not remember the previous one that you had, you can just click here, or you can compare how it looks like in both options, the previous one and the next one. Then you will see that option. Or if you would like to see how looks your survey, you can go to this small eye and see it here. So it's going to be like this, my survey. And here you can share it through email, the step that says share through email, or you can send the link to another people. You can share it on Facebook or Twitter if you want to click on it. And basically those are the options that you have to create your own survey. You will need to explore it. I encourage you, because it's really easy and it's not complicated. You will be able to do it. I swear that is going to be the first and the last option that you will have.